How to log in into your Tweets account.
The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar,
Search for Tweets account login.
wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one.
Tweets login. It will lead you to the official page of Tweets.
Now in here you have to enter the username of your account, and then enter the password that you have created before.
Once you have entered your password, you have to click on Login. But if you are having trouble logging into your account, you can click on Trouble Login In. And then you have to follow the on-screen process, and then you'll be able to log into your account. Once you enter both of the username and the password, tap on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be successfully logged into your Tweets account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Tweets account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.